Okay, we are in the most obvious trade of the century, but I already won a trade. I won two trades today, so I've just stopped trading, but it's so glaringly obvious, and I should have just taken it anyway for a third trade, but I just couldn't bring myself to do it, and now it's kind of too late to get in. I'd have a brutal RR on it. Anyways, we're just gonna watch it play out. So, this box here is not real. It's just like a paper trade kind of thing, but like it's so obvious. We'll go over it here. So we came up. We have market open right here. This is a 1 hour gap. Respected it crazy well, and then we had this 5 minute gap coming through here, inversed it. I go, okay, looking pretty bearish. I was waiting to see if we're going to go higher, and I was going to put another trade in maybe to go higher, but yeah, we respected that gap, inversed this. Absolute no-brainer trade. I bet every single person took this trade. It is the most obvious trade ever. We have New York AM low right here as a draw, and then I don't know, you could probably just run this down. Like, everything's dumping right now. Bitcoin's dumping. Everything's dumping, and we're going to hit our TP, our fake paper TP, pretty quick here. This would have been such a nice trade. It would have been, yeah, like it was like 150 points or something. I don't know. God, it would have been a nice trade. So brutal. But whatever. And then, yeah, we had this. Let's take a look. We got a 5 minute gap here. We got a 1 minute gap here. Tagged it. Super bearish. After that, you could have just entered anywhere, really. Like, obviously, we're going to take out that low at least and then go lower if not. And then, boom, take profit. Fuck, that would have been a nice trade. I can't believe I just didn't go for it. So brutal. Look at that. So obvious. The most obvious trade of my life, and I didn't take it. But I took these other stupid trades in the morning. So that was that trade. Painfully obvious trade. We got this one here. So we got market open. We sweep London session low. Sweep it out, come up. We got a gap here, 1 minute gap. I can't remember if there's a no. Yeah, just a 1 minute gap. We respect it. I go long because we broke structure. We got bullish order flow now. I went long there. Started going up. I was like, okay. We had these highs right here. We had these highs here, obviously. So we went up, and I was like, okay. And then on the S&P, we weren't quite sweeping them. We were just kind of hanging out there forever. And then here we're going up and down. And then I was like, okay. I was like, you know what? I'm going to trail my stops today. And this happens every single time. I'll trail my stops whenever it, I guess it kind of worked out here. But yeah, I trailed my stop. And then I was like, I pretty much halved my profit. I was up at like 150 bucks in profit. And then I trailed my stops right here. Yeah, I put them like right here in this area here, went up, and then we got the fucking brutal red candle, stopped out. Okay, brutal. And then I was like, no, there's more to this. I'm sure we're going to inverse this gap. We're going to be bullish. Like, we have no other draws on liquidity down here. We've taken out London session low, swept it pretty hard. There's nothing to the left of us. For like miles, and then so I got in here, and then I'm like sitting in drawdown, sitting in profit for like 1 second, sitting in drawdown, and then I was like, okay, we were sitting in like pretty bad drawdown, and I go, okay, if I'm getting out of this if we come back to break even. So come back to break even, and I got out of the trade for 14 bucks in profit. So the first trade 70 bucks, second trade 14 bucks, total profit of $84 today. Looks like this trade's reversing now, but accounts back up at 465. Not horrible. Probably in profit for the year. Let's go this year. Nice. So pretty much got us back into profit today. We were at break even this morning. Now we're at $84 of profit for this year. So brutal stuff, but at least we're back in the green for the year. I'm just gonna probably close the laptop here. I don't want to look at this anymore.